You say me pay you 10 million naira. You don't knock me. All the knock when you knock, they hang my leg up and down. You pay for that one.
You don't enjoy that?
I don't enjoy am. I don't enjoy am, oga. I don't enjoy am. I no go pay you. You say I go pay you. You knock me. You train me for school. I go take pay you. I no dey pay.
With that relationship, we no go knock. We no go do my
no be by force. I no even force you to train me for school in the first place. But I know the video me. You dey crazy. Wait till they worry you.
Hello guys, it's your boy Oga Jumbo Comment is the sugar daddy of Benin Kingdom. Today we get one of my brother. He don't tell when this guy on the DM me. Don't they write me say Oga Jumbo I beg. I want me you help me do something. I can say what did they happen? Now today me get chance say no. I want to know what did they happen. It's about the girlfriend, get away train for school. Now say no. Today I want get chance. I want get chance for her. I want maybe tell my fans your name and your occupation.
Okay, my name is Victor and Tyler work now they do. I be Tyler. I dey ties.
Okay, now Tyler. No, they forget the money.
Yes, now I do. Now they do. Now see they do it tomorrow. See my body now. I fat and work I want they go so.
Well, I beg. I want me just tell my audience. She tell me online.
Oga Jumbo, thank you very much. Okay. See this thing here they boil me, they vex me. That's why they beg you since they make I see you. My girlfriend was not they date for more than 7 years.
Yeah.
Before she get admission enter university, now me pay the money, jam fee, everything. She can't enter school. Now me see the sponsor am. The land where my papa even live for me, I sell am, take pay her school fees. Now ties that they do, I be Tyler. All the money while they work, now I head now I spend that put. Now she don't graduate, go use service, come back. She not they pick my call again, say she don't want to do again, she don't want marry me again. Oga Jumbo, now that day here so. I then make her they beg you say follow me more, go see this girl. This girl no fee just go leave me like that. I don't to invest money for her head. I want marry this girl. This girl must marry me. Me no go agree.
Wait, now ask you a question. This girl so. Your parents don't see the girl for face before?
Yes, they don't see him. They don't say we two they together ever since. The girl just changed things for me because she don't go school come out.
Oh, you will not go school. Why you going to train girl for school like that?
I like this girl. I like her. She buckish.
Okay, what do you want me? What do you want me to do for you now?
Big will say you now, chairman. Just follow me more. Go talk to this girl. Make you beg her for me. At least if he see you, if he see consider. I don't know they tell her make he not follow me again. I beg, eh?
Well, no problem now. We'll try go now. But no say not be my power now. God, you understand? We'll try our best. We'll see what we do.
If he see you, if he change your mind, because if he not change your mind, me I feel die. Because I don't finish all my money. I don't spend all my money for her head. The only thing I go feel gain back, now go feel make me happy now to marry this girl as my wife because I like her well.
Alright, no problem now. I bet fans, when I wait, just wait. No call this video. We want go to get house now. We want really know what happen because what this guy they talk now. I never want us conclude. You understand? I want more go this girl house now. More reach there. More we hear from the girl. You understand? I bet you still when I'm still online. I bet sorry, Victor Abi. Yes. But it's not the street this one.
Yeah, the street is this. You guys say the house even dey front. You're not even far from me again.
Okay.
Go see the house.
But what you do now? You just try give me the girl number.
Okay, the girl number. Yeah. Okay, 070 62.
Okay, now I'll call the girl now. But for your reach job, you just take them easy. You just take them easy. You
but I invest.
You don't happy.
I know.
You don't happy.
I go calm down.
Wait, I will tell this girl now. I want to say I be the dispatch right now. She now first send me come for her. You understand? She not fair call this girl. Not fair put up her phone. I just pray everything you all go successful because I know if you for shouting, I beg. I know if you for shouting. Don't you ring? She's getting a fit.
Fit. Tell us, my friend will be Victor.
Hello? Sorry, yeah, good morning. Am I on to Faith?
Yes.
Sorry, this is a dispatch rider. I was sent to deliver a package to you.
I'm not expecting any package.
So is you. I'm close to your house already. I'm close to your house. Yes, I'm close to your house. Please, can you come to your gate? I'm close to your house. Okay?
Okay, I'm going outside.
All right.
I'm scared though.
All right, no, don't be scared. All right. I beg, cameraman, you go that side, quick go hide for that side. I don't want make sure you know, I beg. Stay that motor. Abi, you go back. Just stay that motor. Stay that motor. Abi, just stay that motor. Also, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I was the one that called you just now.
Okay.
So it was someone that sent me. Actually, I'm not. It's past right there. It was someone that sent me. Okay.
Who sent you?
So it was a boyfriend. Like you guys are, yeah, you guys are having some issue. Let me go in.
What's his name?
It's Victor. It's Victor. Please. Beg. I beg. We don't need quarrel. Just hold on. We don't need quarrel. I beg. If you just tell us, I want to know what happened. Because what you tell me now, I know you they show. You say you not girlfriend. Say you not girlfriend.
I not been girlfriend though.
I
don't know you, Oga.
Faith, you don't know me again. Faith. You know, why you go talk like this? Faith, I beg, forgive me. I beg. If I offend you,
Leave me alone.
I beg, forgive me. I still love you. I still love you. I
What's
beg,
happened?
I beg.
But he say he train you for school. After everything.
So you go to tell him wetin happen.
You know they agree pick my call again and I don't hear from you again. For how many weeks now I never see you? You want come on leave me like that, just like that?
You train me for school, wetin happen? Make I
okay,
die.
wait.
Make I kill myself.
Wait, you mean say he train you for school?
Wetin go happen?
He said the only land where if I live for that.
I no send am make e sell land though.
Faith.
No one come fight me. This one I no understand though.
No. Okay. What you want now? Make everything be. I want me everything be now.
You see that she come back to me, or she give me all the money I don't spend, give her.
How much you don't spend? How much you don't spend? How much you don't
Nah,
spend?
give you all the
Calculate
money wey I don
everything.
spend, wey you
What I
don
don't
spend.
spend for her head. You go pass 10 million. May you give me 10 million naira. I'll go my way.
So I want to be. No wait. We want issue. We don't want settlement.
Since
We
she said
don't
she
want
don't
issue.
want play
Abeg. We don't want issue. We want settlement.
Okay. But that money wey say ma pay, I no go pay o. Try and be say make I pay 10 million naira. Where I want for 10 million.
Okay. Now you want me bill. Now you want me bill now.
I no wan marry and I no go pay the money.
How?
You don't want to marry me.
I know they marry you now, but first to marry you.
Are you so heartless? Person spend almost 10 million for you.
I say I know they marry am.
When she did school, I want Idomi. I want this one. I want that one.
I
want
go
this
settle.
one.
Get
I
off
go
now,
send her
man.
the money.
Now I go kidnap you.
Shut up,
I go
wait
shout
now.
o.
Shut up. Wait.
Now when she don't finish, what I supposed to carry and go
Okay,
pay money for her head. She don't dey gree
wait.
pick my call again.
For your mind now, say this thing now you're doing free, huh? See, I be content creator, huh? Right now, everything the camera. Come outside. Come outside, D.
Oga, wait first.
Come
Why you
on.
dey video me now?
I don't video you.
You dey say me I pay you 10 million naira. You no knack me. All the knack when you dey knack, they hang my leg up and down. You
What
and
if
you
you
pay for that one.
You not enjoy them?
I no
you-
enjoy
you
am.
no
I
enjoy
no enjoy
am.
am, Oga.
Kai.
I no enjoy am. I no
I
go
no
pay
knack
you.
you.
You
Not
say
be
na
relationship
I
you
go
dey.
pay you. You knack me. You train me for school. I go take pay you.
Not be
I no dey
relationship.
pay.
We dey relationship. We
Oga,
not
no
go
dey
knack.
pay. I
We
no
not
dey
go
marry
do
you. No be by
gbegbe.
force. I no even force you to train me for school in the first place.
Wait,
Oga,
no.
no dey video me. You dey.
You.
Why still dey worry you? Why dey video me? Eh?
You.
Why still dey worry you? I dey.
You waiting now. You stop here now.
Leave me. Okay, you carry person come my house. Eh?
Wait
You carry-
now.
You carry person come my house. You carry person come my house.
Wait.
You carry person come my house, abi?
You
No
wait
worry.
now.
I know wetin I go do you.
Okay, Papa is spend money for you. No. I want me. Which kind of thing is this one now?
Oga, no be by force to marry person. I say I no wan marry am, no be by force.
But true. He
Yes,
spend the
e be
money.
na look him body na from head to toe. I fit marry this kind person.
But he spend money for you.
I no that one no concern me o. I no fit marry you. I no dey pay. Come beat me. Do your worst, Oga. Do your worst. Anywhere where you wan carry me go. You knack me. You dey knack me, dey hang my leg up and down. I no complain for that one. You dey complain of your money. I no send you go sell your papa house for the first place. Na you know.
I bet you take it easy. I bet you choose from you choose one. Either you give her the money back. Either you give her the money back.
Where the gift wey you bring come for me?
See the gift
Oga,
now.
leave my hand.
Either you give her the money back.
Leave my hand.
Either you give her the money back.
Leave my hand. you.
Either you give her the money
I go
back
deal with
or you marry her.
I go deal with you.
Should you hear me so? Either you give her the money
And I
back
know
or you
they
marry
go.
her.
I know they marry am.
Either you give her the money back or you marry her.
Anything wey you want to make do am, nothing dey happen.
Either you give her the money back or you marry her. Either you give her the money back or you marry her. Either you give her money back. Is that money you give me money back or you marry
You
her?
no fit do anything. Your mates dey buy car
You
for
give
their
her the money
girlfriend.
back.
They spend money. Come on, 10 million naira. You spend only 10 million naira. You dey talk.
Only 10 million naira. Only.
Yes.
Only 10
Only
million.
10 million naira.
Only 10 million. Only 10 million.
They know they complain. Na just 10 million naira you dey complain for. You no fit do anything.
I know say
My head no dey house and you wan marry me.
Yeah, more comot.
You dey worry
More
now.
comot. More comot.
Comot for here.
More comot. More comot.
from me.
More comot.
You go hear from me.
And come comot for here, oh. Cause this guy, I don't understand, though. I beg, come. More comot. Ah! Money where they spend? Hey, Jesus. Huh?
Na love.
You can't love all this one.
Na
How much
love,
now?
oh. Hey, oh.
10 million.
I don't
Go spend that for girl.
I said
Girl.
my
Girl.
land.
Ah,
I
no.
said my land.
Ah.
I don't want to pay me.
Ah,
for
no.
that. I think say the girl
You
go
too do,
gree.
brother. You too do. Which kind of be that one?
I want build future with them. I don't know.